Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of the human brain. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: what happens in your brain during sex? Yes, you heard that right. We're going to explore the incredible journey your brain embarks on during one of the most intimate human experiences. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the brain's control center, the chemicals that make you feel good, and how understanding all this can actually improve your love life. Imagine your brain as a roller coaster, with highs and lows, twists and turns, all orchestrated by a symphony of chemicals and neurons. You know how your heart races, and you feel butterflies in your stomach when you're attracted to someone? That's not just a coincidence. It's your brain working behind the scenes, orchestrating a symphony of sensations and emotions. This intricate dance of neurons and chemicals is what makes the experience so exhilarating. Well, that's your brain working behind the scenes, orchestrating a symphony of sensations and emotions. It's like a complex dance between different parts of your brain, each playing a crucial role in the experience. The gears are turning, the orchestra is playing, and every part is in perfect harmony. It's like a complex dance between different parts of your brain, each playing a crucial role in the experience. Imagine neurons dancing in perfect sync, creating a beautiful and intricate performance that results in the sensations and emotions you feel. And guess what? This isn't just about pleasure, though that's a big part of it. The brain's involvement in sex goes beyond just making you feel good. It plays a significant role in bonding, emotional connection, and even long-term relationship satisfaction. Understanding the science behind sex can help you build stronger relationships, communicate better with your partner, and feel more empowered in your own body. When you know what's happening in your brain, you can better understand your own responses and those of your partner, leading to a more fulfilling and connected experience. So buckle up, science explorers, as we embark on a journey to decode the mysteries of the brain during one of life's most pleasurable experiences. We're about to launch into a world of knowledge that will not only fascinate you but also give you practical insights to enhance your love life. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. First stop, the brain's control center, also known as the hypothalamus. This small but crucial part of the brain is responsible for a multitude of functions that keep our bodies running smoothly. It's like the command center, orchestrating everything from hunger and thirst to sleep and emotional responses. This tiny but mighty region is like the conductor of an orchestra, releasing hormones that kickstart the whole sexual response cycle. These hormones travel through the bloodstream, sending signals to various parts of the body to prepare for sexual activity. It's a complex and fascinating process that all starts here. Think of it as the spark that ignites the fire. Without the hypothalamus, the entire process would come to a halt. It's the initial trigger that sets everything in motion, ensuring that the body is ready for what's to come. Next up, we've got the amygdala, the brain's emotional hub. This almond-shaped cluster of nuclei is deeply involved in how we experience emotions. It's the part of the brain that processes our feelings and helps us respond to emotional stimuli. This is where feelings of desire, excitement, and even anxiety get processed. The amygdala plays a crucial role in how we experience and interpret these emotions, making it an essential part of the sexual response cycle. It's like the emotional roller coaster you ride during intimate moments. The ups and downs, the thrills and chills, all stem from the activity in the amygdala. It's what makes the experience so intense and memorable. And let's not forget the prefrontal cortex, the logical and decision-making part of your brain. This area is responsible for planning, reasoning, and self-control. It's what helps us make thoughtful decisions and consider the consequences of our actions. It usually helps you make responsible choices. But during sex, it tends to take a back seat, allowing you to be more spontaneous and in the moment. This temporary relaxation of control can lead to a more immersive and enjoyable experience. Finally, we have the nucleus accumbens, the brain's reward center. This area is heavily involved in the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in how we experience pleasure and reward. This is where feelings of pleasure and euphoria are generated, making sex a truly rewarding experience. The release of dopamine in the nucleus accumbens creates a sense of satisfaction and happiness, reinforcing the behavior and making us want to experience it again. It's like hitting the jackpot of happiness. The combination of all these brain regions working together creates a powerful and pleasurable experience that is both physically and emotionally fulfilling. So the next time you think about where the action really happens, remember that it's all in your brain. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of chemical messengers that create those mind-blowing sensations during sex. These tiny molecules are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, orchestrating a symphony of emotions and physical responses that make intimacy such a profound experience. First up, we have dopamine, the feel-good hormone that floods your brain, making you feel happy and motivated. When you're in the throes of passion, dopamine levels skyrocket, giving you that euphoric high and intense pleasure. It's the same chemical that gets released when you achieve a goal or experience something rewarding. It's like the brain's own party drug. Imagine a vibrant celebration happening inside your head, with dopamine as the life of the party, ensuring you feel on top of the world. Then there's oxytocin, also known as the cuddle hormone, which is released in huge amounts during sex, particularly during orgasm. This hormone is crucial for creating a deep sense of connection and intimacy with your partner. This powerful chemical promotes bonding, trust, and emotional connection between partners. It's what makes you feel close and attached, turning a physical act into an emotional experience. It's like the glue that holds relationships together. Without oxytocin, the emotional bond between partners would be much weaker, making it harder to maintain a lasting connection. And let's not forget about endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood boosters. These chemicals are released during sex, providing a sense of well-being and relaxation. Endorphins help reduce stress and anxiety while enhancing pleasure and relaxation. They act like a natural tranquilizer, melting away tension and leaving you feeling calm and content. They're like a soothing balm for the mind and body, providing comfort and easing any discomfort you might feel. Together, these chemicals create a potent cocktail that fuels desire, enhances pleasure, and strengthens the bond between partners. It's a complex interplay of hormones that makes sex not just a physical act, but an emotional and psychological experience as well. It's like a magical elixir that makes sex such a powerful and rewarding experience. This intricate dance of chemicals ensures that the act of love is not just about physical gratification, but also about emotional fulfillment and connection. So the next time you find yourself lost in the moment, remember the incredible chemistry happening inside your brain, making it all possible. Remember the prefrontal cortex, the logical part of your brain? Well, during sex, it sort of takes a break. It's like it goes on vacation, allowing you to be more present and less inhibited. This is why you might do things during sex that you wouldn't normally do. Your inhibitions are lowered, allowing you to embrace spontaneity and explore new sensations. It's like your brain is saying, just go with the flow. So the next time you feel your logical mind trying to interrupt those intimate moments, just remind yourself that it's perfectly normal for the prefrontal cortex to take a back seat during sex. Section 5. Guys versus gals brain differences in the game of love. Now you might be wondering if there are any differences between male and female brains during sex. And the answer is yes. While the basic principles are the same, there are some intriguing variations. For instance, research suggests that men tend to have more activity in the visual processing areas of their brains during sex, while women may experience greater activation in areas related to emotions and memory. But remember, these are just general observations and every brain is unique. What matters most is that you and your partner communicate openly and find what works best for both of you. Section 6. Afterglow Insights. What happens after the fireworks? The fun doesn't stop after sex. In fact, your brain continues to be buzzing with activity even after the deed is done. This post-sex period is often referred to as the afterglow, and it's characterized by feelings of contentment, relaxation, and closeness. These feelings are largely driven by the lingering effects of oxytocin and other feel-good chemicals. Oxytocin, in particular, plays a crucial role in promoting bonding and intimacy after sex, fostering a sense of deep connection between partners. So, the next time you're basking in the afterglow, take a moment to appreciate the incredible ways in which your brain continues to enhance your relationship even after the passion has subsided. Section 7. Knowledge is power. Why understanding your brain on sex matters. You might be thinking, okay Bill, but why is all this important? Well, understanding how your brain works during sex can actually lead to a more fulfilling and enjoyable sex life. For starters, it helps you communicate better with your partner. You can discuss what you enjoy, what you'd like to try, and any concerns you might have. Open communication is key to a healthy and satisfying sexual relationship. Moreover, knowing how your brain influences your desires and responses can help you address any issues that might arise. For example, if you're experiencing low libido, understanding the role of hormones and brain chemistry can empower you to seek appropriate solutions. Section 8. Beyond the birds and the bees, embracing the science of intimacy. Learning about the science of sex isn't just about improving your sex life, it's also about appreciating the incredible ways in which your brain creates and experiences pleasure, intimacy, and connection. It's about understanding that sex is a natural and healthy part of life, and that there's no shame in wanting to learn more about it. In fact, the more you know, the more empowered you'll be to make informed decisions about your sexual health and well-being. Just like we encourage curiosity about the world around us, let's embrace the same curiosity when it comes to our own bodies and the amazing things they're capable of. Section 9. Tuning into your body's symphony, a final note. So there you have it, science fans. We've explored the fascinating world of the brain during sex, from the key players like the hypothalamus and amygdala, to the chemical messengers that create those mind-blowing sensations. Remember, sex is a beautiful and complex experience, and understanding the science behind it can enhance your enjoyment, deepen your connection with your partner, and empower you to make informed choices about your sexual health. Now go forth and explore the wonders of your own brain and body, and as always, stay curious.